Okay, question 5.2 from May or June 2019 examination question paper. It says differentiate y is equal to 3 times cube root of x squared plus 5 over square root of x. So again, in order for us to differentiate here, we must first rewrite this into a standard form, which is y is equal to ax to the power of n. So it must be in this form for us to differentiate or derive. And we must leave the answers with positive exponents or in set form when necessary. Okay? So you will see this question. The question is written there, 5.2 from June question paper of 2019. Then how to rewrite this in a standard form is going to be y is equal to 3x to the power 2 over 3. You see this 3 that is here on the arm, it becomes a denominator. Okay? So this 2 becomes a numerator, then this 3 becomes a denominator, plus 5 divided by x to the power 1 over 2. Again, we've got this fraction which we must rewrite in this form. Okay, because we can see x here, it's a denominator, so we must rewrite this into this form. So y is equal to 3x power 2 over 3 plus 5x. Then this x to the power a half, it moves to the top, it becomes a numerator. It means the exponent was positive here, but when it goes up, it's going to be negative 1 over 2. Exponent 1 over 2. Then now it is in a standard form. If it's like this, it is in a standard form. Now we can derive dy over dx. Or again, if it's not stated that you must use dy over dx, you can just say, people, y prime. Ne? So it's going to be 3 times 2 over 3 x to the power 2 over 3 minus 1 plus 5 times negative 1 over 2 x to the power negative half minus 1. So we have derived. Now finally, what is the final answer? What is 3 times 2 over 3? The answer is 2x. What is 2 over 3 minus 1? The answer is negative 1 over 3. What is positive 5 times negative 1 over 2? The answer is negative 5 over 2. Then what is x to the power negative half minus 1? The answer is to the power negative 3 over 2. Then this is another step. So now remember, it says we mustn't leave the answers with negative exponent, but it must be in positive exponent. So what does that mean? It means we are going to have the numerator and also the denominator. Then what is going to remain as a numerator? It is 2. Then x to the power negative 1 over 3 is going to be a denominator. Then minus again here, if you look into x, we've got x to the power negative 3 over 2. So it means we're going to have a numerator and a denominator. So what is going to be our numerator? It's 5. The denominator is 2. This denominator is here. And then this one, because it has got a negative exponent, so it's going to go to the denominator side and it becomes x to the power positive 3 over 2. Then whenever you see an exponent that is a fraction like this, so what do? It means you're going to leave your answer in set form. This was going to be your final answer if the statement didn't state that you leave your answer with positive exponent or in set form where necessary. So it is necessary, we must leave it in set form. Why? Because our exponent here, it's a fraction, and also our exponent here, it's what? It's a fraction, which is going to give us 2 divided by cube root of x. It was going to be cube root of x to the power 1, né? But you don't need to write this one. But if you written this one, we won't penalize you, but there is no need, so you can leave it like this without writing 1 there. Minus 5 over 2 square root of x to the power 3. Remember this square root, the meaning of square root, it means is this 2 that is invisible. But you don't need to write that 2. So that is why your answer is just square root of x to the power of 3. So this is the final answer. Thank you.